Hi guys, welcome to another video, which is going to be a vlog for today. Since it's a long weekend, I thought I would film some of the stuff I'm doing because normally for the weekends I just like try to make TikToks and do a little bit of stuff around the house, but I think this weekend we're going to the beach and stuff, so I wanted to film that for you. And I'm just getting ready for my TikTok filming right now. I kind of wanted to do like a hairstyle video and then a what's it called? The video where everyone's like wearing my clothes versus styling. So like what I would wear at work versus on the weekend, since I don't want to ruin my clothes at work. So I'm just getting ready right now and then I will show you what I do with my weekend. And I just got this like Huda Beauty trial from Sephora for the one coat. Wow, this actually works so good. So I might be buying this. And some lipstick, and I'm going to be ready for the day. I'm going to start off with my hair video because I want to go in like order, so I'll do hair and then I'll have my hair done for my fashion. Oh, this is bright. Now I don't know if I want to film in here or in my bedroom. My bedroom lighting was a little bit crazy, but that usually is the better lighting, but I think I'm going to try in here today, so I'll find somewhere to set up my camera and everything. Okay, I'm kind of all set up. I got all my hair stuff, but I was going to use some of these to stick my phone to the window, even though I saw a girl do, like, she stuck them together so that you don't have to like walk around with your phone with like this thing on it. But it's been, I don't know where my other one went. So far they've just been like throwing my phone across the room basically. So I'm gonna try again, but hopefully this time it doesn't like, I don't know if I like don't stick it well enough or something, so hopefully it works. Well, it's stuck on, the phone is crooked. Oh, now my flashlight's on. Yeah, it just like rips off really easily, so. But for my hair, I think I'm just gonna do like a low bun sort of situation, so hopefully it turns out good. I don't really do my hair that often, but I wanted to start like posting a little bit more hair and makeup videos, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Wow, I can't do the middle part to save my life. I'm gonna wait because somebody's barking and I know they can see me. Please hold. Okay, whatever. Oh my gosh, this is so bright. Oh my gosh, now it's so dark. Sorry. Just needed to stick for a few minutes. Let's check what it looks like. That's always the fun part. I don't even know. Oh, I do not look good with the middle part. I don't even know what my hair looks like, so I'm gonna see the back and hopefully I don't like it. You like can't even see what I did. So I'm gonna try again, and I think I have to put my phone higher because you literally cannot see what I'm doing. Okay, let's try again. Alright, I have a feeling this is not gonna look right, but let's watch it back. It's okay. I'll probably post it, you'll see. I don't have the thickest of hair, so I feel like this stuff doesn't lay right on me. And I also made this little dupe too big, so yeah, I just always blame my hair. And even like the bobby pins are just like straight, like poking back out. So these are I got these like curved ones. I don't think I can use these ones because they just literally like move. So I'm gonna keep that in mind. I'll probably go buy some new ones today. And I'm gonna move on to my styling versus wearing video. So I'm gonna move the camera and you'll see how I do that one. Yeah, I don't know about the lighting in here. Like, I love the lighting in this room, but it gets kind of dark for like filming stuff, so I might move. Okay, hopefully this doesn't backfire on me. I'm gonna wipe my shoes off because I don't like standing on the carpet with shoes that have touched the New York streets. And I don't know if I could put like a paper towel down or something, but that might look a little weird. So I'm just gonna go this way, let them dry, and then at least I'll feel a little bit better about it. I'm obviously gonna wash my hands before I even touch anything else. So this paper towel is disgusting and I have to wash my hands. I'm actually gonna move the camera to where I can try and see my reflection from the video. Let's check it out. I stand right here. And then this is helping me to see what's going on. I think I filmed 0 of that, so I'm going to do it again. Yep, got nothing. Alright. Thanks.
That's it? I'm going.
So I got home from the store like an hour ago, watched a little bit of a show, and I re-put my hair up because I think I may have been walking around TJ Maxx with like one of the chunks that I had twisted like fallen out, so that would have looked really weird. But yeah, I just want to show you what I got at TJ Maxx, and it's just two things actually. So I just got hairspray, whatever, and then for my room I got this blanket. I've been wanting one for a while, and I was doing like my room redo. I've refilmed it 3 times, I think, like the final like end all of the room, but I was like, no, I need a blanket and I need pillows. And I don't have anything else to do for the rest of the day really planned out, so I thought I might make pillowcases, and then tomorrow I can maybe film the last part of it, which will be like the whole like ending result of my room. It's gonna be so cute. I want to kind of wash it. I put it on the couch and like use it, but I do no. This is what I have now. Not that it doesn't match, but it doesn't match the room. And these pillows, which also fine, but don't match the room. This looks so cute though. You'll see in the room redo. I was thinking about getting a white one, and now I think I maybe should have, but it's fine. The boys hate me, and every time I film they start chewing on the cage, and they don't do it at any other times. I'm actually going to my room to see if I can find any fabric for, whoa, see, it's so bright in here. So I'm gonna put my camera down and see what I have in this drawer. All of my fabrics are kept under my bed. Not all of them actually, a lot of them. And when I need one, I can just look in here. But I think the one I'm thinking of might be upstairs. Okay, I'm going to look upstairs. I was looking for this everywhere. Okay. I got nothing up there that I wanted, but I found this, which I might use for my Renaissance Fair skirt. So that's helpful, but let me see actually. Yeah, for the Renaissance Fair, I was gonna wear this, and I wanted like a cream colored skirt with it. It'll fit me. But this together, I don't know. I don't think I like this, so I'm gonna keep looking for a cream colored. Their option actually was this, which would look very nice with a skirt like this. So I'm gonna keep that in mind in case I either don't have time to make something, because I never do, or something goes wrong. I have this as backup. And this really cute 12's Joy, because I could possibly make a top with this. I saw this was like a kind of popular pattern, like the blue and white. Not necessarily 12's Joy, that was kind of last year, but if I make like a corset top with this, this will be really cute. Since I'm not making any pillows, I guess, what do I want to do with my time? Probably clean a little bit. this point I'm so tired from cleaning, but I just want to give you a little like room tour since I never did that, and just before the sun goes down, because I'm not sure really what I'm doing for the rest of the night, and I might just hang out and like not do anything, so this might be the last clip that you see of me. Okay, so when you walk in, there is this full-length mirror that I really am thinking about putting on the wall. The little dresser area, I love this so much. This is so cute. This is where I film all of my like TikToks and stuff because I love the little like ceiling detail. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. I hung up the IKEA mirror right there. I do kind of wish it was a different color, but for now it's fine. Better than nothing. And then we have all of like my stuff is on the right, and then all of Luke's stuff is on the left. So I would like him to get rid of that ugly box, but we're working on it. And then that corner over there, we have all my computer stuff, which definitely does not match the room. I would like a new desk and definitely a new chair, since we've been moving the same 2 chairs around the entire apartment for an entire year since we've been here. And then the bed area is over here. I still haven't put away all of the fabrics because I'm not sure what to do with them. This over here, I definitely want to change. Mine is a nice little mirror one, but there's not a second one, so definitely would like if those could match. And just the bedding, I picked yellow because I thought it was like a fun summer color. I do have a blue bed spread for like winter time, but we'll see if I switch it over because I do really like this yellow one. And that's about it. And then we have the dog's bed. He sleeps here. Hi, honey. So definitely a work in progress. I'm thinking about adding, I kind of want to add a second like carpet to this room also, which I know everyone hates that I've been doing that. Like my family's like, why do you need 2 carpets? But it adds some different texture and style going on. And then we just have this one tiny closet with all of my clothes in it. So that is it. Apparently my mic wasn't on for this whole day, but I thought I would just talk you through me getting ready for the beach. I did really simple makeup, and then here I am talking about how I put my swimsuit bottoms on while they had pins in them that I forgot about when I was sewing. That was really terrible. And then here was my first outfit, which ended up giving me hives, so I switched to the halter, and then this was just my final outfit and we were ready to go. We made it! Hour 3 and I thought I got tan, but really I look pale as ever. Okay, hair is out and I put in a ponytail even though I'm about to just go shower. This is an absolute mess from being in the space buns, and I just wore the hat the whole time, so my hair is looking real bad. But also just wanted to mention that I'm kind of devastated that like the summer's over. The biggest thing why I don't want it to be like fall, whatever, I just don't want to be cold. Yeah, I'm just really not ready. Everyone's like buying like pumpkin spice stuff and I'm not ready for that. I want like, I guess there is technically 3 more weeks of summer left, but everyone's acting like it's winter time already almost, and I'm like, stop it, stop it. But tonight I think I'm just gonna go make pizza and then hang out for the rest of the night, so I'll probably see you tomorrow, and I'm not sure what I'm doing yet, but we shall find out. So good morning. So it's my last day of my 3-day weekend, which is devastating. I'm just gonna try to take the whole day to like reset everything, maybe get a little bit of stuff done, and I actually am gonna work on my marketing course. I decided to take a marketing class just because I feel like I love to be like always learning, and I'm kind of thinking about taking like a new career direction for the time being. So I thought that I would work on that. So far I think I'm only like halfway done, maybe even less actually. So I have a lot of like modules to work on. But yeah, that's what I've been up to. And today I have to go, this is my laundry from last week that I'm folding. So I have to go do my laundry. I'm going to try to do a couple modules of the marketing class, and then I think me and Luke are going to take a picture for his like business. I thought of an idea for him. Other than that, I'm kind of thinking of doing like a hair and makeup TikTok just for fun. And that will be pretty much it for my day. I love this apartment, but I wish I had a bigger closet because this is ridiculous. I'm redoing my makeup because I had a TikTok idea, so I'm going to film that, and I'm going to do a hair, one makeup one. I'm definitely trying to post a lot more on there now, so I was going to do like a 7 days of hairstyles because I know people do like 31 days. At the moment, I can't think of 31 ideas, and I've been like obviously looking around, but I'm going to start off with 7 and do a makeup one, and then that will probably be it for the day because I know you can't tell, but the sun is about to go down in like maybe an hour, so I don't really have that much time to do much. I'm gonna do a bubble braid or a fishtail bubble braid for my hair, so I'll just record that, and then that will probably be it for this video because who knows, it's probably gonna take me honestly forever. Okay, so I have everything set up. The sun is like shining right on me, so I'm about to go blind filming this, but I'm gonna start off with the fishtail braid ponytail thing. I hope this turns out good, but I literally don't know what's going on back there. Okay, so my hair is turning out a little bit weird, so I just have to like be really careful. Then I think I'm gonna tie some ribbons around the like ponytails so that it doesn't look so awkward, because my hair is just so thin that it doesn't look how it's supposed to when I do hair stuff like this. So it actually looks cute, and I think I'm gonna do one more. A little guy at the bottom. Okay, so here's my final hair. It's not the best, and I'm never slicking my hair back again. I look bald. My phone's being kind of weird, and like the exposure's way up, so I'm probably not going to film anything else for the rest of the day, and I'm just going to end the vlog here. I don't really have any plans for the next couple weeks, so I don't know if I'm going to make a video like this coming up, but subscribe if you want to see what I do get up to, and thanks for watching. Bye!